Hello everyone, I'm David Lewis with another sales tip of the week. Today I want to speak to you about the value of listening to learn how to become highly successful in this business. You know, there's nothing more important to your customer than knowing that as their salesperson, you're paying serious attention to their wants and needs that they have in their search for a new vehicle. Too often, salespeople are guilty of focusing on their own goals and doing what they think is best for their own pocketbook rather than what is best for the customer. They start their sales presentation before they even get to know what the customer is looking for and spend most of their time trying to convince the customer that they know what is best for them. Most people buy a new car trying to solve a problem they have or fill a need that will make them able to do the things they need to do in their daily life. Unless you listen well enough to learn what it is in a vehicle that will really help them solve their problem or fill that need, they will very likely go somewhere else to find someone who can do that, and you will lose the chance to make the sale. Once they feel comfortable with the dialogue, well, you're on your way. The best way to get them to open up is to ask them simple and non-threatening questions. Now, if you're like me, you like to talk. And what happens, and this happens to me all the time, is that when someone is talking, I'm already thinking about what I'm going to say next. And then I start to interrupt the person that's talking. Why? Because now I think that what I have to say is more important. So here's my tip of the week. Early on in your process, ask them, so, is there a story behind why you're in the market for a new car? And you'll be amazed at how easily they open up to you and start talking. And then focus on listening and not trying to determine what you're going to say next. Because you know what? You will know what to say next, as it will come naturally. And the best part of all is, by not talking, they will end up talking themselves into a car. Give it a try. I think you will be amazed at how easy it does work.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.